Why is Frieren looking at me like she just witnessed a crime? Because she knew what kind of magic was hiding in the pack right behind her. Welcome back to Cardboard Kizuna. Let's unwind and open some packs and appreciate some gorgeous art today. Today we're going to be opening a Frieren reprint box from Weiss Schwarz. I've opened a first edition box and didn't get too lucky on the pulls, so hopefully we do a little bit better this time. You can see the rarities here. A secret rare and SSP is what we're shooting for. Fingers crossed we get it. Alright, let's get into the box opening. Let me pull out my straight razor blade because I'm a man. Cut this thing open. Let me hide that from my kids. Alright, let's get the cellophane off. Move it around. Open the box up a little bit. Set these packs to the side. Alright, let's get into this. Okay, first pack. You see it's got some pretty artwork on there with blue flowers. That's the chase card we're looking for. Even the silver stamp goes for quite a bit. I can never open packs well. Just have to manhandle it. Alright, let's go through these cards. Fake priest hider. A little zoom. My stock looks so sleepy. Young Fern. Cute. Alright, we'll set the rares up here to the side. One pack down. Let's go into the next one. Back to manhandling them. See how this works. Oh, almost got it all the way down. Not quite. Ooh, this is almost the same picture as the cold open. It is the same picture. Cole Frieren. Denkin. Ah, another foil. A priest job sign. Set that up here. Ooh. Pretty card. Looking good. Okay, 2 packs down. Let's move these out of the way. Open up another one. Let's see, pull tab worked. Yay. Alright, Motherly Roll Fern. Lamp. Why is she looking at his butt? Get out of here. Master Flamma. Set that up here. In case you couldn't tell, it's foil. Really subtle on this one. Master's Teaching. Alright, let's move this one out of the way. On to the next pack. So far, no SSPs. I'm still holding out hope. Mimic. This was such a good little character quirk for Frieren. Party of Heroes Ice. Ooh, another foil. Alright, set this up to the top. Scales of Obedience. Yeah, those really worked out for you in the end, didn't they? You know. Okay, next one. Alright. Pretty artwork. Solar Dragon. That's a beautiful card. I actually opened a box off stream and pulled the secret rare of that. Oh, another foil. Let's move this up here. Regret. first time Frieren really shows emotion at the funeral. I'm not going to spoil it for you, but I imagine if you're watching this, you've already seen the anime. Oh, couldn't get the tab open. Back to manhandling. Another motherly role. I love her little chubby face. Oh my goodness. I have opened so many boxes of Frieren. This is my first SSP. Wow. That's pretty. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Cool. Nice. You know, it's a silver stamp. I'm really not disappointed about it. Would have been nice if this would have been my one of the 4 first edition boxes I've opened, but I will take a silver stamp. And it's of my favorite character. I love Fern. Let me see if I can put this into a protective case. Maybe slide it on screen for you. There you go. We can stare at it for the rest of the video. Wow, that's really lucky. Look how pretty that is. Even the texture on it's beautiful. Whoa, okay, good. Oh, get in there. Okay. Well, that's probably going to be the highlight. Let's keep going and see if we pull anything else. Clumsy birthday Fern. Another foil. Set that up there. Believing in her words. Now, let's move this out of the way. Let's see if I can get this boy on screen for us. Oh, almost made it. I'm curious. Do y'all open them using that little pull tab, the little notch they put in there, or do y'all just open them the old school way? Imitation magic. Birthday celebration Fern. She gets a little hair clip. Social gathering. Look how savvy he looks. Ooh, another foil. Fern and Frieren. If you watched my last video, you saw that I pulled one of these in the first edition box. Okay. Looking good. See if I can get this tab open. Yeah. Got it. Oh, my stomach's rumbling. Alright. What y'all don't see is I'm actually just dropping all the wrappers in a big pile in my lap. And then they're falling to the floor. Somebody gave me some feedback that I shouldn't leave them spread all over the desk. And you know what? I agree. It does look a lot cleaner without garbage everywhere. Oh, that's a pretty card. Sight I couldn't see on my own. That's the sunset scene. Also really pretty. So many episodes in this anime are just really, really nice. Okay, I completely failed on this one. Still failing. I'll get there eventually. You can do this. Okay, got it. Fern, meal with her master. Winter clothes Frieren. Another foil. Uh-oh. Rosy cheeks. Hider. Privilege of the young. Birthday celebration Frieren. I didn't recognize that was foil at first. Got the little kind of hexagon pattern on it. It's kind of pretty. Another foil. Set this to the side. And the Hero's Party. A mere 10-year adventure. And let me clean up this stack over here. It's starting to look a little sloppy. Okay. 2 more packs left. Can't complain. We already did get an SSP from it. Her art style looks so subdued compared to some of the other ones. That's a pretty card. A border on it. Social Gathering Fern. Not Social Gathering for both of them. They both look miserable. Her and Stark. Eternal Love. Alright, last pack. See what we get. Come on. I don't even know what I'm rooting for anymore. We already got an SSP. Can you get more than one SSP per box? I'm not really sure. Either way, let's see what we pull. Sorry, Aura. Ooh, look at those eyes. Last one coming up. It's the last foil. The foils are really subdued on this set. Kind of really low key. It's hard to see sometimes. Alright, well that's all the packs. Let's kind of look at what we did and sort these out. Rare stack. We'll put the rare stack right here. It's a pretty card. Put the SRs here. Put the double rares here. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Fern and Frieren. Clumsy Birthday Fern. Fern and Stark. I really like this card. Put the double rare back over here on this pile. Master Flamma. A Priest Job sign. That's our second SR of the box. Okay, and of course the trophy, the pride and joy of this box. Mage Fern silver stamp. Nice. Not a bad pull.